like, and subscribe below. Thanks. Hey everybody, Brian with Team JTR.Spartacus, and look what Brown Santa brought today. 3 Rusty's boxes, so that should hopefully be my whole lift for JTR.Spartacus. So I'm going to get this stuff pulled out, take a quick look at it, make sure I got everything, and then I got to figure out time to put this thing on. Shout out to Jason from Bad Attitude Off-Road. Thanks, Jason. Alright, so it looks like we got all 4 springs here in this first box. Seem to mostly survive. And so some folks have been asking about these springs, and they are Eibach springs. So I can confirm that they are Eibach springs. So some folks have been asking about that, and there they are. Forgot to mention these, but I got Terraflex Falcon bump stops, so we're gonna try them out. There's the number right there for the Gladiator, so we'll try those out with this lift. Hopefully that all works out good and we have some good bump stops and keep the wheels out of the fender flares, but have good flex. Alright, so I've got everything. Everything looks good. There's a couple little dings on things, but that's to be expected with the way that they get transported. And I use this truck, so I'm not worried about it. I'll just hit it with some black spray paint just to make sure I don't get rust. Overall, everything came great, well packaged, and took about 6.5 weeks. So just be mindful of that. So if you want yours, order it today. I'll tell you how this goes on and then give you a review once I get all that done. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thanks.